guys, we're talking about back pain today, something I know many of you struggle with. It can be a real pain, right? But listen, there are things we can do to feel stronger and more mobile. We don't have to just accept back pain as part of life. Today, I'm going to show you 6 in-home exercises that can help relieve back pain and strengthen your back muscles. These exercises are great for anyone looking to improve their back health and prevent future pain. No equipment needed, just you and me. We're going to smash it together. Let's get started. First up, we have the side plank. This exercise targets your obliques and helps build stability in your core and back. Now, don't be intimidated by the name, all right? It's simpler than it sounds. Lie on your side, make sure your elbow is right underneath your shoulder. You got this. Now lift those hips off the ground. Imagine you're creating a straight line from your head to your toes. You're strong, hold it there. We're going to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Feel that burn. It's good, it means it's working. All right, and switch sides. We want to make sure we're working both sides of that core. Remember, strong core equals happy back. Keep breathing, you're doing great. Almost there, and relax. Let's go again on the other side. Next, let's do the bird dog. This is great for enhancing balance and strengthening your lower back. Plus, it's called the bird dog. Who doesn't love a good animal exercise? Start on all fours, just like our furry friends, hands directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Now here's the fun part. We're going to extend our right arm forward and our left leg backward at the same time. Think of reaching out with your arm like you're reaching for a treat and extending that leg back like you're pointing to something interesting. Keep those limbs straight, feel that stretch. Hold it there for a few seconds, then come back to the starting position. Now, switch sides. Left arm out, right leg back. Remember, balance is key here. We're aiming for 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Now, let's move on to bridges. This exercise strengthens your glutes and lower back. And who doesn't want a strong bum? It's all connected, my friends. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Make sure those feet are hip-width apart. All right, now imagine you're lifting your hips towards the ceiling using the power of those glutes. Squeeze them at the top and feel those muscles working. Hold it for a few seconds, then lower back down. We're aiming for 15 to 20 repetitions. This exercise is fantastic for building that mind-muscle connection, so really focus on squeezing those glutes. You're doing great. Keep that energy up. Almost there. Let's do the child's pose. This is an amazing stretch for relieving tension in your back. It's like a little mini vacation for your spine. Start on your hands and knees. Now sit back onto your heels and extend your arms forward on the ground, lowering your forehead to the floor. Feel that stretch in your back? It's glorious. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a whole minute, and just breathe. Deep breaths in, long breaths out. Let all that tension melt away. This is your time to relax and recharge. Keep breathing, you're doing great, and gently come back up. How are we feeling? Refreshed and ready to go? Let's do this. All right, let's get those spines moving with some cat-cow stretches. This movement increases flexibility in your spine and relieves back tension. It's like a gentle wave for your back. Start on all fours again, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Now here's the fun part. As you inhale, arch your back towards the ceiling like a cat stretching. Tuck your chin to your chest and feel that stretch in your spine. Now as you exhale, dip your back towards the floor and lift your head like a cow looking up. Feel that stretch in your back and chest? It's amazing. We're going to keep flowing between these two poses for 1 to 2 minutes, syncing our breath with our movement. You're doing fantastic. Keep it up. All right, last exercise. Let's finish strong with the Cobra Pose. This one's perfect for stretching your lower back and opening up your chest. Lie face down with your hands flat on the ground, directly under your shoulders. Now, engage those back muscles and press into your hands to lift your chest off the ground. Keep your elbows slightly bent, you got this. Hold this pose for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling that stretch in your back and chest. As you hold, take some deep breaths, sending that oxygen to any tight spots. Slowly lower back down. We're going to repeat this 3 to 5 times. You're doing amazing. And relax, well done. And there you have it. 6 exercises to help relieve back pain and strengthen your back muscles. Remember to listen to your body and perform these exercises at your own pace. Don't be afraid to modify if you need to, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. See you next time!